How to log into CIBC Costco Credit Card online. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily log into your CIBC Costco Credit Card online account. First of all, open up your web browser, click on the search bar at the top, and simply search for Costco CIBC Credit Card Login. Hit enter. And you'll find different options here. So all you have to do is find your Costco CIBC credit card. Now you'll find this option, credit cards for CIBC. Click on it. Once you get to this page, you're going to have to find your Costco credit card on the credit card page. But in order to find it, you first have to sign into your account. Click on this button here. Enter your card number, and if you want the browser to remember your card number, check this box. Then enter your password. And finally, you're going to have to click on this sign on button. And if you want to view your password, click on show password. And if somehow you've forgotten it, click on reset my password. Once you log into your account, you should be able to find your Costco credit card here. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.